Hello, today we're gonna talk about these basins. These help collect runoff rainwater and they are good in drought-stricken areas. These are easily done by using a simple hoe and you dig a small trough of 1 foot by 1 foot. The length can be done as long as you want. Even the depth and the width can be done bigger. Here is the space is a bit constricted, so we have to put they are the size of around 4 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. 4 foot the length, 1 foot the width, 1 foot the depth. These are done for each tree. We have two, one on each side. And the trees are on a slope. It's good so the rain doesn't run off immediately. The small rain we have, here we have rain. The rain falls in large bursts, but in a small time, so it doesn't have the chance to get absorbed by the soil. Here we can see the pomegranates, which are still being irrigated by drips, but not as much as they used before, because now we have the help of the rain which was absorbed throughout the winter. Rainwater. These collection basins help the rain to go deeper in the soil, whereas there is less chance for the water to evaporate. The deeper it goes, the better chance it will stay there throughout the summer, where the roots will find it. Obviously these basins most use are for trees, as they will reach deeper and deeper and the surface will dry off. Obviously here we can also plant on the amount of the basin. We usually plant some wheat, barley or hay. This is to keep the mound very joint and strengthened, and we strengthen it up with the roots, so the basin has more chance to fill and the water won't break the margin, the soil barrier. These are easily done in summer in preparation before winter, and usually they require a small job, but the pay is larger. Usually the results are seen in a long time. Usually it takes 3, 4 or 5 years. Remember, you have the rainwater has to collect in the depths of the soil, so it takes time. Usually, as I already said, 5 years is a good time, and you'll see the difference. Obviously, the more rain it falls, the more it gets absorbed. Okay, thank you. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe.